Welcome to Tech You So Much YouTube channel. Friends, I have divided this video into three parts. In the first part of the video, I will show you how to fix your Life360 app if you are getting any problem. Maybe you are facing connection problem or location problem. So I will give you some solutions, some methods I will share with you so your problem will be solved. And in the second part of the video, I will show you something which is very important, which will motivate you. And in the third part of the video, I will give you advice about Life360 app so you will never get any problem in the future. So let's start our first part. To fix this app, you have to press here and tap on app info. If your force stop option is available, you have to click on it and force stop the app. And in the notifications, you have to turn these notifications on and press back, open permissions, and enable all of these permissions, and again press back button. And in the data usage, you have to allow background data, and try your app again. Your problem will be solved, I hope. And so let's start the second step, means second part. I am going to show you something which is going to motivate you. So here you can see Life360. As you can see, you are not alone in this problem. Many people are facing the same problem. 76% people are facing app problem. So you are not alone in this situation. This problem will be solved by the Life360 app team. So you don't have to do anything, you have to just wait. And my advice, which is the third part of the video, and my advice is that you have to switch to another app better than Life360. So better app is Glimpse according to me. Sorry. As you can see the app icon and developers Glimpse Inc. So this app is better than Life360 according to me. Give it a try and tell me how this app is working for you. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and like the video.